I don't think it's necessary. You can be close to a person. I'm very close to the president as well. He's my brother. So I'm clearly related to him. I'm related to quite a number of officials, as you well know, both in the Congress as well as in the local governments. But I think we are fully aware of our duties as senators, and will study all the evidence that will be provided and rule and vote on all that exactly as presented. Nabigla lang ako nung umpisa. Nung umpisa sinabi ko talaga lalabanan ko yung hanggang dulo. Pero ang ibig ko sabihin doon, hindi lalabanan dahil kaibigan o kapatid. Lalabanan ko kasi ayoko ng gulo. Ayoko rin ng destabilization, ng revolutionary government. Ayoko ng Bongbong resign. Ayoko ng ICC. Ano mang gulo ayoko. Dahil ang hirap-hirap na ng buhay, pwede ba? Bumalik na tayo sa totoong problema ng tao. Ng presyo ng bigas at gasolina. Bumalik tayo sa kakulangan ng trabaho. Bumalik tayo sa kapalpakan ng ayuda at pangangailangan ng tunay na tulong.